Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Mensuration. Questions and solutions on important concepts. In this video, we will learn some questions basing on cones and cylinders. First question, a joker's cap is in the shape of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 cm and height is 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required for 10 such caps. I shall repeat the question. A joker's cap is in the shape of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 cm and height is 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required for 10 such caps. Here, these two persons are called jokers and you can observe them in circus. These persons are called jokers in a circus. They used to make fun, and these people make so many things, so many funny things, and they used to wear some type of dress having a conical shape cap. Now if you go for a close look, these are the faces of them, and you can observe a cone shaped caps over their heads, and we used to distribute such caps in birthday celebrations at our homes recently. Now this is the solution. Here for this question, let us draw a diagram first. This is the cap is in the shape of a cone, and if we draw height and radius of the cone, it may look like this. You can observe this is the cone and this is the actual height of the cone, and this is the base radius or radius of its base. You can observe that the base of the cone is in the shape of a circle, and this height is called slant height of the cone. Slant height is represented by L, actual height is represented by H, and radius may be represented with R. Now if we draw this triangle here, then this is AB is the actual height, which is equal to 24 centimeters from the question, and BC is the base radius of the cone, this one, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Now let us write what is given in the question. The radius of the cone is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. Radius of the joker's cap is equal to 7 centimeters and height h is equal to 24 centimeters. Then let us find the slant height first, L first. Why? Because the lateral surface area of the cone is pi RL. Therefore, you should need the value of L. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. That is root over h value is 24 and r value is 7. If we substitute, h square means 24 square plus r square means 7 square. 24 is 576 and 7 is 49. If we add, we will get 625, and square root of 625 is 25 centimeters. This is the slant height of this cone. Now, lateral surface of the cone is pi RL. Pi value is 22 by 7 and r value is 7 into L value, we got it as 25. You can cancel this 7 and 7. We have finally 20 into 25, which is equal to 550 square centimeters. It is the lateral surface area of the cone. Now this is the sheet required for one cap. If you open the cap, then this is the lateral surface area. That lateral surface area of the cap, one cap is 550. Now how many caps we have required here? We need 10 caps. Therefore, let us multiply this area with 10 so that the sheet required for 10 caps is equal to 550 into 10, 5500 square centimeters. Now, another question on cylinder. Question is, a sports company has ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length and base radius is 7 centimeters. Find the area of the thick paper required to make 100 cylinders. I shall repeat. A sports company has ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 cm length and base radius is 7 cm. Find the area of the thick paper required to make 100 cylinders. Now, how the cocks may look like? Yes, this is shuttle badminton. Our Indian shuttler PV Sindhu is playing with her opponent in some tournament. Yes, these are the shuttlecocks. Now, these shuttlecocks may be placed in this type of barrels. These are called barrels, and these barrels are made up of thick paper. Now, we have to make 100 such paper barrels to keep these shuttlecocks inside. Let us go to the solution. Yes, this is the question. And for this question, let us draw a diagram. The diagram is a cylinder. We have to form 100 cylinders. As it is a cylinder, this is the actual height of the cylinder. This is the actual height of the cylinder, which is equal to 35 centimeters, which is given in the question. And the radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Again, cylinder base is in the shape of a circle. The radius of the base is 7 centimeters and the height of the cylinder is 35 centimeters. Now, what is given in the question? We have given two values. One is radius. Radius is 7 centimeters. Therefore, radius of the cylinder R is equal to 7 centimeters. And the second value is length or height, which is equal to 35 centimeters. Therefore, height H is equal to 35 centimeters. Now again, let us find the LS of the cylinder. LS, a lateral surface of the cylinder, is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value is 7 into h means height is equal to 35. You can cancel 7 and 7. 2 into 22 44. 44 35 1540 square centimeters. It is the lateral surface area of the cylinder or sheet required to make one cylinder is equal to 1540 square centimeters. Now, how many such cylinders are required now? We need 100 cylinders. Therefore, sheet required for 100 cylinders is equal to 1540 into 100 is 1,54,000 square centimeters. This much area of sheet required to make 100 cylinders of shuttle barrel. Thank you one and all.